Ooh. Okay. All right. So today I want to do a little cooking video, mainly because I said in the vlog, I am now living on my own, so I don't have mama and dad to cook for me anymore. So I kind of have to learn everything. So I need to learn how to cook. Today, I don't really know what I want to cook. 3-minute cook time. Yeah, I could do that. So today we're gonna be cooking some gnocchi. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta show my freezer. I don't know if you can see that. This is some gnocchi. It's Authentico Italiano, which is like pretty good, I think. But it says it's easy to do. And easy is my middle name. So it says boil for 3 minutes, strain until dry, and then serve with sauce and grated cheese. I don't fuck with like Parmesan cheese, so I'm not gonna do that. But it looks like there's enough in here that I can make dinner for tonight and for tomorrow. So first step is you want to get your pots and pans. This shit is super dirty. What the hell? So right now I'm cleaning it within the pot excursion. You feel me? You feel me, blood? Log 115. It's your boy. You know how we do. We just out here, bumbaclot. Oh yeah, that's that good shit. See, I'm good at cooking eggs. Like, I can cook eggs pretty well, and that's about it. I can do Kraft mac and cheese, I think. But yeah, what I want to do here though is I kind of want to do something a little different, you know? Like, I want to add a little bit of seasoning to it, maybe some like, I don't know, people put beer in things, so I think I'm going to try to put beer in it. That might be a bad idea, but I don't care. I'm going to do it. So, alright, this seems pretty clean. So now I'm gonna dry this bad boy out. And then, I live in Arizona, so the water here is fucking disgusting. So I'm not gonna use tap water. I'm gonna use my Brita filter. Or, it's not even a Brita filter. It's a, pure filter. So I'm gonna use this sexy boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, this is an electric furnace and I got water in it. Oh my God, there's so much water. Oh, this shit's gonna fucking blow, dude. Sure, that seems right. Okay, now we're gonna turn that back. Yeah, okay. We're gonna get that bad boy boiling. Okay. That's making a noise. All right, basically my goal here is I'm gonna be making gnocchi. Dude, that's really burning. That's really burning good. Okay, gnocchi with a vodka sauce. So I'm gonna try that. If you think I'm not an alcoholic, you're wrong, because I'm gonna add some Stella to my vodka sauce and give it a, why'd that stop? I'm gonna add some Stella to my vodka sauce to give it a, I don't fucking know, something. It'll do something to it. So we want to get this boiling, so I'm gonna turn that bad boy up to high. And before I start cooking, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper into the water, just to give it that flavor. Okay. That way the gnocchi can kind of absorb some of that flavor, you know? Because that's what you do. Yeah, that's probably good. This isn't boiling yet. I don't know how long it takes for it to boil. Need this to drain it. That's gonna be epic. All right, and now we just sit here and wait for it to boil. So I'm not gonna have to use all of this beer. So I'm only gonna have to use a little bit. So I don't need all of this, and I would feel bad if I just dumped it out, so I'm not gonna do that. And while this is boiling, we'll just sit here, chat, and have a good talk. How are you guys doing? Did you like the vlog? I hope you did. So yeah, we need to kind of get through this, or else we're gonna have too much beer in our hands, so. Yeah, so that should be good. I got a good little bit at the bottom there. That should go in really well with the vodka sauce. I'm gonna wash that down with some, for those of you who don't know, I'm a whiskey man, so this is my whiskey decanter. I usually have whiskey glasses, but in this case, I'm just gonna take a shot because it's like a Scotch whiskey, and you can shoot Scotch, which is nice. So, cheers to dinner and the first vlog, and cheers to 100 subscribers. Thank you for 100 subscribers. I appreciate that. But cheers. We'll come back to that later. Oh, God. Fuck. But yeah, so right now, we're just trying to get this bitch to boil. It's starting to get there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll go to the phone camera so you can see where I'm at. Starting to boil, trying to get a good boil. That's where the beer's at. So it's looking pretty good. You know, not too bad, not too shabby. Okay, now we're getting a good smoke. Maybe you should have turned that on, because I don't want to set off a fire alarm. And of course, to go with my pasta dish, I want to keep it Italian. So I will be opening my Malbec wine. I might not have a wine cork. Let's see if I got it in my care package. I don't know where to put this, so I'll just throw it right there. Let's make it so you can't see my address. Nice, I got not a wine opener. Sick. Excuse me, sorry if there's any ladies out there watching, I apologize. Oh, it might be a twist off. No, there's a cork. Son of a biscuit. This might be a bad idea. Don't try this at home. Okay, that thing's really boiling, but no. Okay, scratch that on wine. We'll just do more beer. Man, that thing's really going now. Now I'm worried I didn't put enough water in. So maybe like a little touch of. It made it stop boiling. That's dope. Okay, cool. This is what I'm scared about. I don't want to get splashed with hot water. So we're gonna put these bad boys on, and I'm not going to get splashed. Fuck. Okay, now I'm panicking. And now we have all those little cuties in there. Nice. I was supposed to be timing it for 12 minutes. Or 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh God. Okay, 3 minutes. That bitch hot. Ow. Fuck. Ow. That's hot. Okay. Modelo. Don't mind me. But Model, hello. You know what I mean? Here's to cooking. Oh fuck. The fuck is that shit? Why did it splash like that? Nothing to worry about. We're okay. It's not true. Okay, oh, it's boiling again. What's that noise? Yeah. Alright, well, I think 10 minutes has passed, so it's time for another shot of scotch. Here's to alcohol poisoning. Oh, baby. Phone cam, quick before it's time. Would you look at that? God damn. They're all floating. They're all ready to go in the beautiful sauce, the vodka sauce. Damn, this looks yummy. Nice. Okay. Hopefully this looks good. I'm gonna do that. Cause it's time. Okay. Very epic gamer. There's that. Okay. Here we go, baby. Getting it all ready to go, baby. Okay. Hopefully this is a good angle. Or else this is pointless. Cause this time, okay, careful. It's time for the motherfucking money shot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, look at all that stuff. I don't want to start a fire alarm. Turn that burner off. What do I do with this? Let's put it right here. Why not? Burner is off. We're safe. Look at those piping hot gnocchis. God, I love gnocchi so much. If you don't know, gnocchi is a derivative pasta of potato. Y'all like potatoes? I love potatoes. What? Okay, so I was gonna use Stella because it's a lighter beer, but I can't really do it because I opened my Modelo. So we're just gonna have to finish a Modelo and open another Stella. No beer goes wasted, squad fam. Whew, okay. Stella. Okay, yes. I am in fact getting tipsy. Oh no, the freaking camera died. Y'all didn't get to see the end product. Luckily, I got some of the end product on my phone. We got this bad boy open. Oh my God, I'm dizzy. And you come in, and you start drizzling it in there. Then we're gonna mix all of that shit. God, that looks so fucking hot. Yo, if this looks hot, leave a like. Okay, now that I look at it through my camera, it looks really gross. But on the video, it looks so good. Or in real life, it looks so good. Little tiny bit of Stella Artois. That might have been a little too much. Why'd I do more? So now, We're gonna let that marinate. This is the end product. Doesn't that look fucking delicious? Don't you guys just want to dive into that? What you missed? Oh frick, now I have to do another shot of scotch. You guys missed about 3 more shots of scotch. So this will have been my 6th shot of scotch on tonight. Here's to good memories. I'm really sad that it missed out, but I got some of it on my phone, so this is the finished product, and I hope y'all enjoyed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please subscribe, and leave a comment for what you want to see next. Leave a comment telling me what your favorite food is. I would love to know. But anyways, I'm gonna go and enjoy my gnocchi. This was a tutorial on how to cook gnocchi. I know you missed half of it. I'm gonna have to figure that out. That's kind of annoying about the camera thing, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And peace the frick out, dude.